Hello everyone, we are here to see how to install MySQL Workbench on Windows PC. So, first thing you need to do is go to Chrome browser, search for MySQL Windows download. You need to go to the first link you see, that is dev.mysql.com. I'll provide this link in the description box below. Click on the link, you'll get this dialog box. Here you can see Windows installer. The version is 8.0.34. You just need to click download. After clicking download, click on no thanks, just start my download. As you can see, it is downloaded. You need to double click on the element. After double clicking on the file, it will take some time to get installed. You need to give permission. After giving administrator permission, yes, you'll get this screen. Here you need to click on custom and press next. Here you can see the plus icon, so just expand it. Again expand my MySQL server. Again expand MySQL server 8.0. Select the first one and tap this green arrow or the right arrow. So you can see MySQL server 8.034 on the right hand side of the box, and we need to go back. For going back, just collapse the clicked elements. You will see applications, expand applications. Here you can see MySQL Workbench. Expand again, MySQL Workbench 8.0 will be there. Expand it. Click on the first one and press the right arrow. After pressing, you can see MySQL Workbench on the right side. After that, just press next. Now you need to execute those two files. Click execute, and it will take some time to get downloaded. So this downloading speed totally depends on your PC configuration. So let's wait for some time. So as you can see, our file is downloaded now. So as you can see, our file is downloaded now. Just press, just press next, just press next. So as you can see, our file is downloaded now. So we need to press next. After pressing next, Click on execute again, and again it will take some time to install the file. So we are almost there. As you can see, our installation is now complete, and we need to press next. Again click next. So here no need to change any settings, just press next. Press next again. Here you can see inside accounts and roles, you need to create a password here, which you will use during login into MySQL Workbench. So I will just enter my password here. As you can see, I have entered password. After entering password, we need to click on next. We need to click next again, again next, and at last we'll press and at last we will press execute. It will take some time to check all the configurations. We need to finish it. Just press just press next, and finally we will finish it. We can minimize this window. So now you can see our MySQL Workbench is launched. So whenever we press this local instance MySQL 80, our SQL will ask for the password. So this is the same password which we have entered before. Just press, just enter the same password and press on OK. So now you can see your MySQL Workbench is installed. If you are having any issue with the installation process, please feel free to comment down in the comment section below, and I will reply to your comments. So, thank you for watching.